Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a short plant video, so let us start off with our painted lady or the wandering Jew, the miniature form. And this was all green in color, but now I have placed it in a sunny spot and gradually it is coloring up. You can see some leaves are turning purplish. See how pretty it has started to look. Although the green one too looks beautiful, but once it turns completely purple, it looks more and more beautiful. Now this is the only caladium I had this season. Actually I had two caladiums, but this time I have just one. I don't know where the other one went missing. Anyway, this is it, and it is just so very beautiful. Look at it, I just love it. Actually this one I had bought last year, and under my care this is the first time it has given out new pretty leaves. Now you all have seen this particular syngonium of mine multiple times. I keep showing it to you because it is so very pretty. This is the reason I keep showing you. And the other thing about this particular syngonium, the strawberry eyes, is that it is a very slow growing one, but this time I might get a plant from this particular one. I can separate that. I have seen the point from where it can be separated, but overall it's a beautiful plant. Once you purchase it, you are just going to keep loving it. So this is my strawberry eyes, the syngonium strawberry eyes. It is also called the arrowhead plant. This is my cryptanthus, the red one. I have three cryptanthus. This actually the mother plant was given to me by my younger cousin. This is how it is doing. This is the pup, and this is my green syngonium. When I show you syngoniums, I have to show you this because it is such a beautiful green, lush and green and beautiful. This is another syngonium that is with me in my collection. Yes, this is also a beautiful one. These syngoniums, when you place it in your room, it is just going to transform the look of your room. These are beautiful plants which can be kept indoors for a short or brief period. Now this is my aglaonema, which is also doing extremely well. It's bright, it's beautiful, and yes, I love it. Now these days I have to show you these plants because my geraniums are in a pathetic state, and some have even left, means they have died. It's so very difficult to save geraniums if you are growing them in the plains because it is so very humid. So this is my aglaonema, which is doing just wonderful, and it seems to be loving the monsoons, and it's giving new shoots here and there. That's the best part. Now talking about syngonium, I have another syngonium to show you. This is my milk confetti. I think you can see the splashes of pink here and there on the leaves. This too I had bought last year from the Gorkhe Hut, Acropolis Mall. Once a week we can buy plants there. So this is it for today. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting video. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and it's bye bye for today. Bye.